Before we start, yes, you are allowed to film this attraction, but this is also at the discretion of the cast members. Only film lights and photo flashes are prohibited. This video was also recorded without disturbing the experience for other guests. Thank you, and enjoy today's performance of Mickey's PhilharMagic.
Hello, everyone. We ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance. All right, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra. It's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. Goody, you're not ready. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Oh my gosh. Donald, wake up! It's showtime. Don't forget the orchestra. And don't touch my hat.
Bonjour! It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Sleep as you digest. Tonight you pop your feet up the funhouse and lead up, be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? When I love to explore that shore above. Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your like no king was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather an inspiring feat.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing in the spotlight.
Not yet. carpet ride, a whole new world.
glasses in the special containers near the exit. Thanks.
Fun fact, did you know you can actually see Donald in the gift shop after he has fallen through the hole in the wall? Look, there he is! Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out one of these other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and join our socials.